welcome back to my channel Naukri ಗೆಳೆಯ. To all my dear friends, welcome again. Guys, today we are going to discuss very important questions or the MCQs which are related to the GTTC as well as BNPN GTTC and BNPN. GTTC and BNPN, which is nothing but a very important questions. Okay, very important questions we will be discussing. So please do subscribe to my channel so that you will not be able to miss any of our important topic which are being discussed in the channel, guys. And please do share this video, which will be of much helpful. And please do watch, do not skip the video so that you guys may miss a very important discussion which is very much helpful in your examination point of view. Okay, so let us continue the session, guys. First question is about what is the primary function of the actuator. See, it is a simple question. If you read the question very clearly, they are just asking the primary function. What does the primary function mean? Are there secondary function also? Do you mean the primary function of the actuator is something and the secondary function of the actuator is something else? Nothing like that. Actuator means it's just as simple as it is, as I explained in the previous session, which means in the previous session when I explained you about the actuator, where I mentioned you very clearly about actuator means which converts a signal into a movement. So just read the options, whatever they have given. To convert a mechanical energy into electrical energy. No, we are not generating any electrical energy here, guys. For generating electrical energy from mechanical energy to electrical energy, we are using motor, generators. Sorry, we are using a generators where rotating things will be there and we will be generating an electricity. Those are generators. To convert the flow of liquid, what to convert? To convert the flow of liquid to what? To convert the flow of liquid, you want to convert the flow of liquid into the high pressure or high volume or high velocity, or what do you want to make? This option itself is a rubbish option. It is not clear to the audience or not clear to the aspirants. Whereas the third option, which deals about to convert a control signals into a mechanical movement. This is what we should focus more on it. We should focus here. See, to convert a control signals into a mechanical movement is actually the job of the actuator. To amplify the signals for communication, this is done by amplifier, not by anything else. It is done by amplifiers. To amplify the signals is the function of the amplifier, not of actuator. So this option is also not suitable. Whereas the right option which is suitable is the third option, that is C. To convert a control signal into a mechanical movement, which is a very perfectly suitable for the question which is asked. Okay, so the right answer for the question is the C, guys. To convert control signals into a mechanical movement. Here the control signal means it is electric signals. Okay, it is electric signals. We use mostly of actuators will be of most probably of electrical only. So there are other actuators also. Hydraulic actuators are available. Okay, hydraulic actuators are available and pneumatic actuators are also available in the market. So these both will be used where very high torque is required. Very high torque is required and the slow movement. Keep it in mind. Okay, and for pressure and pneumatic actuators, we need to maintain the pressure. So we need to maintain a certain pressure in the pipeline to make it open and close. So this is being done by compressors, which is of much costlier, and the system becomes too complicated. Okay, so the simplest system where the actuators mostly I mean to say the maximum number of actuators will be used is of electric actuators. Today we call it as call it as dampers, and actuators will be of 4 to 20 milliamps. 4 to 20 milliamps actuators are there. 0 to 10 volts actuators are there. Okay, and yeah, so and 5 to 10 volts actuators are also available in the market. So these are the various types of actuators, guys. Okay, so let us focus on the next question. Which type of actuator is commonly used in robotics for precise control of the movement? See, there are several types of actuators which we already discussed, right? So thermal actuator they have given, which is not in the market. Just neglect this option. Do not take this thermal actuator when you don't know about the options. Just go with the knowledge what you are having. Okay, just go with the knowledge what you are having and try to eliminate the options which you know it. Okay, here you know, yeah, yes, we know very clearly that these three are the only actuators which are available in the market. But in this, for robotics, which type of actuator do we use for robotics? For robotic application means, guys, just keep it in mind, we cannot make the things messy. We should maintain a clean environment in the where the robots will be operating. Robots in the sense, here there will be a stand. 1 minute, guys. Yes, number robotic. Our robotic looks like this, guys. There will be a base frame, and there will be the arm kind of a structure where we call it as a base structure, and here there will be a momentary part, and here it will be the another momentary part, and here it will be the another momentary part to which the action will be taken place. Okay, this is how the robot will be designed. So for in this robots, the majorly and very important thing is the preciseness. Preciseness means what? Precision means accuracy. Precision means the correctness and the exact movement or the action required. In reaching the exact action which is required by the, for example, if I need to pick a material which is here, placed here, and I need to place it this side, means it is very clear that I need to first pick here, and then I need to go here, and I need to place this here. Okay. So for this, we need actual and exact measurements and the exact movements. So this is what we call it as a preciseness. So for this precise control of the movement, which type of actuator is used is the electrical actuator, remember. Because in electrical actuator, there won't be any damping or inertia. This kind of things will not be available. Whereas comparing to the other two things, which is hydraulic and the pneumatic, in this, both of them, there is a much amount of damping because of the liquid and the air. I mean liquid in the sense oil, the hydraulic case, and the inertia which which happens due to the movement. So these both are the very important problems which we face in the hydraulic actuator as well as the pneumatic actuator. But when we come towards the electric actuator, we see is not possible. This can be avoided and it can be nullified. So in order to reach the precision or the preciseness control of the movement of the robotics, we use electric actuators. So please take this as the right option, guys. Okay, now going towards the next question, which is about in which of the following applications would you most likely find a pneumatic actuator? Pneumatic actuator, where do you find it? Pneumatic actuator. The applications of the pneumatic actuator, if you read and if you know about the applications of the pneumatic actuator, then you would be able to answer this question very easily, guys. Applications of a pneumatic actuator. Where do we use this? Guys, remember me, the pneumatic actuator, we use it in the industrial automation systems. Why? In industrial automation systems, there will be of a several valves like oil flow valves will be there, okay, and other liquids flow, oil will, other liquids movement or the flow in the pipeline will be there, water flow will be there. For all these cases, when we need a precise amount of gas to be delivered, or the precise amount of water to be poured, or precise amount of water to be sent through the nozzles at a very high pressure bus, in such cases we use the pneumatic, because pneumatic is driven by the pressure. I mean pneumatic is a air pressurized. Okay, air pressurized means it is a compressed air, we can call it as a compressed air. So when the compressed air is there, you can achieve a very high torque movements can be controlled and a very high pressures can be maintained. So when you are using a high pressure, it means you can drive the systems which are needed such high pressures. For example, for descaling on the slabs in the industries, there will be a slab or a hot metals will be there. There will be a lot of scales over the slabs. We need to clean it. You cannot clean it by the hands. What you need to do, you need to make an arrangement like nozzles here. Sorry for this. You need to make a nozzles here, and you need to drive this air pressure by the help of a valve which is being driven by the pneumatic actuator. This is a wall, and this will be the pipeline. Here the air will be coming, and when the air is coming here, you need to pressurize it. It might be from this there might be a air, or else the main liquid might be the water. Okay, the main liquid might be the water in the pipeline, and you need to send this water from here to here. And here from the nozzles there will be a high pressure created. From low pressure to the high pressure, it will be created by the help of nozzles, so that you guys know it very well, being a mechanical or electrical guys, or mechatronics guys, or you just think there's electronic guys also. A very low pressure can be converted into a high pressure just by sending it through the small nozzles. Okay, and this is being done or achieved by the help of pneumatic actuators. Okay, so the in industrial automations we use, most of the applications will be driven by the pneumatic actuator. Whereas aircraft landing gears, this and all is hydraulic. Remember, these are all hydraulic. Okay, by the oil. Okay, and underwater vehicles, these are also by the hydraulics. Okay, solar power plants, these are all by electric actuators. You can ask, sir, what will be there in the solar panel to move the actuators? There is nothing. Just you need to move the solar panel tilting position. Here there will be a stand, and here there will be a panel which is facing towards the sun. Okay, now as the sun moves, you need to tilt this rotating arm, and you need to make this position like this. So in order to make like this, you need a motor here which is being driven by the electrical actuator. Hope I have cleared you guys very well, and hope you guys understood my explanation too. And please do like my channel if you have understood what I have explained, and please do comment guys, so that it might reach to the other aspirants as well. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I wish you all the best. And thank you also for subscribing to my channel, and please do share this video to all other aspirants. And thank you guys once again, and wish you all the best. See you in the next session. Good day, good moments.